students. They will check 4 different types of questions from the slot 3 paper of TCS Ninja 2022. Okay, I've selected these 4 questions because most of the questions in slots 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are similar. So I aim to pick out 4 different questions from each of the papers to give you an idea of how to solve the different types of questions in the papers. So question 1 relates to divisibility. A number is given. It's divisible by 36, right? So 36 means it's divisible by 4 and 9. So divisible by 4, how do we check? We check it by checking the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. So here 36 is divisible by 4, right? So this entire number is already divisible by 4. Now the only criteria left is divisibility by 9. So we know divisibility by 9, right? It's 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus p plus 3 plus 6. This sum has to be divisible by 9. Then the entire number will be divisible by 9. So what do we get here? We get 9 to 11 plus p. Now this has to be divisible by 9. So what is the next multiple of 9 after 11? It's 18. So this implies p should be 7. And they want p square. So p square can be 49. So that means option B is your answer. Okay, check question 6. The expenditure of Rashmi is equal to 225% of her savings. So for these types of questions, just assume something as 100. So here the problem starts with savings, right? So let first savings be 100. This is the original ones. Original data. Savings is 100. So expenditure is 225% of it. So 225. Now income will be savings plus expenditure, right? Assuming no other criteria. So it's 325. Now, modified case. This is when new conditions come in. Income increases by 20%. So new income will be 20% more than 325. So it's 1.2 times 325. That turns out to be, use the on-screen calculator, 390. And expenditure increases by 40%. So expenditure is 1.4 times 225. That becomes 350. Right? Now we have to decide whether her savings will increase or decrease. So savings is income minus expenditure. So that's 390 minus 315, which is 75. Now we started our problem with the assumption that her savings was 100. And now her new savings is 75. So it's a decrease of 25. Decrease of 25 on 100. So that means the decrease is 25%. See, if you have had assumed X, then this calculations would have been difficult. Just assume 100. All right, next problem. In a school, a total of 12 cakes of 1.5 kg each are ordered. So total weight of cake ordered is 12 into 1.5 kg. That is 18 kg. The cakes are to be distributed to the children. Good. So each boy is given 20 grams of cake and each girl is given 30 grams of cake. Okay. The number of girls in the school is twice the number of boys. We have to find the total number of students. So let the number of boys be X. So the number of girls will be 2X and the total students will be 3X. All right. Now what do we have? Boys get 20 grams of cake each. So X into 20 and girls get 30 grams of cake. So 2X times 30. This should equal to all of the cake, assuming no cake is wasted. So this is 18 kg or 18,000 grams. So that means you add this up, you'll get 80x equal to 18,000. Either divide it mentally or use the on-screen calculator, you're gonna get x equal to 225. So that means the total students are 3x. So 3 times 225 is 675. So option A is your answer. Check question 8 now. This question I've selected from mensuration. So the two parallel sides of a trapezium are in the ratio of 4:3. So if the ratio constant is x, then the sides are 4x and 3x. Distance between the two parallel sides, that is the height, is 50% less than their sum. So if it's 50% less, that means it's half. Half less means half remains, right? So the height is 7x by 2. The area is given, right? So area is half into sum of parallel sides into height for a trapezium. So that we're given, right? 784 times 2 times 2 equal to 7x whole square. Right? Now this part becomes 3136 if you complete the multiplication. And that means 7x equal to, use the on-screen calculator for this. I've already calculated it, so I'm just showing you the answers. 56. Now x could be 8, right? Now they want us to find the sum of lengths of the two parallel sides. Right? So since the sum of lengths is 7x, then 7x is equal to 56 has already been calculated here. So the answer would be D, 56. Four questions were selected at random, and I have answered those for you in TCS Ninja slot number 3, paper analysis. Just go through the paper. If you find any more questions that you have doubts in, put it in the comment section and we will record one more video later if there are enough doubts. All right, so see you in the next one.